Assalamu alaikum students of year 10. Today we are going to discuss the 5 points program of Prime Minister Junejo. This was actually the second part of General Zia government when he proposed Junejo as a Prime Minister of Pakistan. In this video we will discuss the 5 points program of Muhammad Khan Junejo. This program lasts for 4 years. His government started from 31st December 1985. The elections were held on non-party basis, and from Sindh, Muhammad Khan Junejo was elected as a parliamentarian. He was not a well-known person when Ziaul Haq proposed him as a Prime Minister of Pakistan. Nobody really knows him. When he came into the government, he announced his 5 points program. Before this, political parties were restored on November 1985, and on January 1st, 1986, martial law was brought to an end. Ziaul Haq actually don't like the parliamentarian form of government, but he realized that without doing this, he cannot run the government. Now we will discuss his 5 points program. Number one is he want to promote the Islamic system in the country. He said that our government will be based on the ideology of Pakistan. Number two is he said that there will be a social justice in the country. He focused on the just economic system in the country. Now the third is he want to end illiteracy from the country and preparing the nation for the challenges of modern ages of science and technology. He want to focus more on studies. Next is he want to end corruption and injustice in the society and wants to prevail justice in the society. The last point of his agenda was to ensure the national security and sovereignty through strong defense. He want impartial foreign policy. Now these were his 5 points program. Now his government lasts for 3 years. Because he has so many differences from General Zia. The most important issue which ended up his government was the incident of Ojri camp. In the inquiry of Ojri camp incident, he has major differences from General Zia. So this was the first issue, and then when he visited Korea, he spoke out against army, which was another big issue between General Zia and Muhammad Khan Junejo. And the last one which we have earlier discussed in another question was the Afghan jihad issue, and that was the Geneva Accords. Because he signed Geneva Accords, but General Zia don't want to sign this because he has his views are different from Muhammad Khan Junejo. So all these things get together and end up his government. On 30th May 1988, General Ziaul Haq dissolved the assembly. So this was all about the government of Muhammad Khan Junejo. Now we will take a quick review through answers. Have a look. Now have a look at the answer. On December 31st, 1985, Junejo declared his 5 points program. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया, this program was multi-dimensional in nature. Following are the important points of this program. Number 1 is Islamic democratic system. वो चाहते थे कि मुल्क में इस्लामी निज़ाम कायम हो, जिस निज़ाम के तहत हमने पाकिस्तान जिस नज़रिए के मुताबिक हासिल किया है, वही निज़ाम जो है वो इस कंट्री में रहना चाहिए. Social justice, the establishment of economic system for ensuring the social well-being of the people and decreasing unemployment. दूसरा पॉइंट ये था कि उनका मंशूर में कि बेरोज़गारी का ख़ात्मा किया जाएगा और कोशिश की जाएगी कि ऐसे तरीके इख्तियार किए जाएं जिससे कि आवाम खुशहाल हो. डिक्रीजिंग इलिटरेसी यानी जहालत का या नाख्वानदगी का ख़ात्मा करना, मुल्क से पढ़े लिखों की तादाद में इजाफ़ा करना और लोगों को कोशिश करना कि लोग साइंस और टेक्नोलॉजी या जदीद साइंसी तालीम हासिल करने के लिए तैयार हों. नेक्स्ट है डिक्रीजिंग करप्शन. decreasing of corruption and injustice and provisions of social security. اس کے علاوہ ملک سے وہ چاہتے کہ بدعنوانی، رشوت، ناانصافی اس قسم کی چیزیں جو ہے وہ ختم کریں، عوام کو انصاف ملے اور ان کا معاشرتی تحفظ جو ہے وہ بھی ہو۔ نمبر 5 جو ہے وہ نیشنل سیکیورٹی ہے، دا انشورنس آف نیشنل سیکیورٹی۔ وہ چاہتے تھے کہ ملک کا دفاع جو ہے وہ مضبوط ہو اور ایک غیر وابستہ، یعنی اس میں کسی کی انٹرفیئرنس نہ ہو، اور ایک بیلنس خارجہ پالیسی ہو، فارن پالیسی ہو، جس سے کہ ہمارا ملک جو ہے وہ استحکام پذیر ہو، مستحکم ہو، اور قومی سلامتی بھی ہو اور قومی خود مختاری کا تحفظ بھی ممکن ہو سکے۔ تو یہ سارے پوائنٹس جو تھے یہ محمد خان جنیجو کے جو 5 پوائنٹ پروگرام تھا یہ ان کا تھا۔ تھینک یو۔